Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable crypto insights. If you're serious about finding the next 100x altcoin before it moons in 2025, this video is exactly what you need. Many investors dream of catching the next big crypto before it skyrockets, but success in this space isn't about luck. It's about research, strategy, and perfect timing. The difference between a life-changing investment and a worthless coin comes down to knowing where to look and what to analyze. The smartest way to start is by identifying low market cap gems with high potential. Coins with a market cap under $50 million have the highest chances of massive gains, but not every low cap coin is a good investment. Filtering through them wisely is crucial. Use platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to find projects that offer real utility, strong fundamentals, and increasing adoption. A token without a clear purpose will eventually fail, no matter how much hype it has. A deep dive into the project's fundamentals is the next step. Studying the white paper is essential. Does the project solve an actual problem, or is it just another trend-driven token? A strong development team is equally important, so check if they have experience in blockchain, tech, or finance. If the team is anonymous, approach with caution, unless they have a solid track record. Partnerships also play a huge role. Projects that secure backing from established companies or reputable investors have a significantly higher chance of success. A great example is Chainlink, which built credibility through partnerships with Google and Oracle. Understanding tokenomics is a game changer. The supply and demand dynamics of a coin directly impact its price growth. Always examine the total supply, circulating supply, and distribution. If early investors or the development team control a large portion of tokens, there's a risk of price crashes due to sudden sell-offs. The best projects have a low supply, controlled release schedules, and fair distribution. Axie Infinity is a strong case. Its tokenomics prevented massive early sell-offs, allowing for steady growth. Building confidence in an investment also requires analyzing community engagement. Even the most technologically advanced coin will struggle without an active, engaged user base. Checking Telegram, Discord, and Twitter activity is a great way to gauge real investor interest. If discussions feel genuine and the project has loyal supporters, that's a strong signal of potential success. Dogecoin is a prime example. Its passionate community helped sustain its value, despite initially starting as a meme. Momentum often comes from upcoming catalysts, which are major events that drive a coin's price up. Exchange listings, such as getting on Binance or Coinbase, can lead to sudden price surges. Similarly, major partnerships and technological upgrades create excitement. Examining a project's roadmap is crucial. Are they consistently delivering on promises, or just generating hype with no real progress? Some coins rise purely on speculation, but the ones that actually build and innovate will sustain long-term growth. Protecting yourself from scams and rug pulls is just as important as finding a promising investment. The crypto space is full of deceptive projects designed to steal investor funds. Tools like Token Sniffer and BSC Scan help determine whether a smart contract is legitimate. Another key check is ensuring liquidity is locked. If it isn't, the developers could withdraw funds and disappear overnight. Be extra cautious of projects promising guaranteed profits or risk-free investments, as these are clear warning signs of fraud. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Spotting the next 100x altcoin in 2025 requires discipline, patience, and a data-driven approach. Smart investors don't chase hype. They focus on research, real-world utility, and strong fundamentals. Now, I want to hear from you. Which altcoin do you think has the potential to explode in 2025? Drop a comment below. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Bahawalpur TV for more powerful crypto insights. See you in the next one.